In this session, we will see the efficiency of using different data structures. Selecting appropriate algorithm and data structure is essential for efficient problem solving. Running time is an important factor in designing algorithms for solving a problem. In fact, analysis of algorithm deals with studying efficient algorithms. Running time of an algorithm is greatly influenced by the selection of data structure. One should pay close attention to choosing data structures appropriate for the operations performed by the algorithm. Binary trees and binary search trees have a wide variety of applications in computer science. The files are stored inside a computer in a tree-like structure, making it easier to store and search for an element. Next, we will see an example of efficiency in case of searching in a binary search tree as compared to searching in an array. So, what we will be having is an array with 5 lakh elements. So, we have an array like this with 5 lakh elements. This array is known as A. We will also be constructing a tree with 5 lakh elements. So, we have a tree, we will be constructing a binary search tree. So, we will be having a tree with many levels. Like this, we will be having a binary search tree. So, what we will be doing for finding out the efficiency is, after creating this array and binary search tree, we will try to search for an element using in-order traversal method. So, using this, we will be finding out which one is better. This is an experimental setup, and in the case of analysis of algorithms, what we will be doing is, we will be checking each step in the algorithm to find out the time complexity. The advantage of theoretical method is, you can find the time complexity without running the algorithm and checking the time. But here, we will be running the algorithm to find out which one is better. So, we have an array with 5 lakh elements, we have a tree with 5 lakh elements, and we will be using a search procedure to search for an item, and we will be printing the time taken for both of the cases. So, we will be searching, first we will be searching in the linked list, and second we will be searching in the array. This one is actually searching in an array, and this one is searching in a tree. So, this is what we are doing. First one is tree and the second one is array. In the first case, we will be searching for, say, 11th element. We will be searching for 11th element, which means that we will be searching. The index start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, somewhere A of 10, that is 11th element, and that element will be somewhere in this tree. So we will be running this. We can see that when we are searching for the 11th element, the time taken for searching in linked list is higher than time taken for searching in the tree, which is quite obvious, since in the case of a tree we will be having linked connected through some pointers, and these memory locations are not close to each other. This one is at some location, this one is some other distant location. But in the case of array, these all are continuous close memory locations, which makes it easier to search. Easier to search when the elements are very less or elements are very close to each other. So we will try to increase this. So next we will try to search for 10,001 element or 10,000th element. So for the 10,000th element, you can see that the time taken for linked list is much better compared to time taken for searching in an array. So if you have large number of elements, tree will be much better. This is because in the case of an array, the searching is like you will be starting from the first location, then you will be checking here, then you will be checking here, one after another. So this is how you search in a linear fashion. But in the case of tree, it is a non-linear data structure. First you will be checking if the element to be checked is less than or greater than the root. If it is less than, we will be checking the left subtree, and if it is greater, we will be checking the right subtree. So the number of checks will be lesser, very less, when we have a large number of elements compared to searching in an array, since it is a non-linear data structure. Next we will be seeing changing from, we have about 5 lakh element. We have about 5 lakh element. So we will be checking the 5 lakh element. So again you can see that the searching time is improved, or searching time of tree is much better compared to that of an array. So from this you can see that using a tree data structure, certain operations like searching will be much better. So if you have some large number of data and if you do the process like searching often, then a nonlinear data structure like tree will be helpful. But if you have very less number of elements, then you can either use an array data structure or a tree data structure. Both are equally helpful.